If you've ever thought about starting your own beekeeping journey but didn't know where to begin, this video is for you. Today, we'll be introducing you to the world of beekeeping, covering everything from the basics to what you need to know before setting up your first hive. Beekeeping can be an incredibly rewarding hobby or even a full-fledged business. Not only does it provide fresh, organic honey, but you'll also be contributing to environmental sustainability by supporting essential pollinators. 1. What is beekeeping? First things first, what is beekeeping? Beekeeping, or apiculture, is the maintenance of bee colonies, typically in man-made hives. Beekeepers manage these hives to produce honey, beeswax, and other valuable products, while also supporting the natural pollination process. Beekeeping isn't just about getting honey. It's about understanding the intricate social structure of bees, ensuring their health and productivity, and most importantly, keeping their environment safe from pests and diseases. 2. Why start beekeeping? So why should you start beekeeping? Well, there are many benefits. The most obvious one is the honey. Did you know that a single hive can produce around 20 to 60 pounds of honey per year? That's a lot of sweet goodness, but beekeeping offers much more than just honey. Bees play a crucial role in pollinating crops and plants. Without bees, the global food supply would be in jeopardy. By keeping bees, you're actively contributing to a healthier ecosystem. Plus, products like beeswax, pollen, propolis, and royal jelly are in high demand for cosmetics, health products, and even food supplements. 3. Beekeeping as a sustainable practice. One of the most rewarding aspects of beekeeping is its environmental impact. Bees are essential pollinators for many plants, including fruit trees, vegetables, and flowers. By supporting a healthy bee population, you're enhancing the biodiversity of your local area and contributing to agricultural sustainability. In recent years, there has been growing concern about the decline in bee populations due to pesticides, climate change, and habitat loss. As a beekeeper, you can play a part in reversing this trend by providing bees with a safe and supportive environment. Even in urban settings, bees can thrive with the right care. 4. Understanding the hive structure. Now let's take a closer look at the basic structure of a beehive. Beehives are highly organized colonies, typically divided into three main castes: the queen, the worker bees, and the drones. The queen bee. The queen bee is the only reproductive female in the hive, and her primary role is to lay eggs, up to 2,000 a day during peak season. Worker bees. Worker bees, all female, are responsible for collecting nectar, building and cleaning the hive, feeding the larvae, and protecting the colony. Drones. Drones are the male bees, and their sole job is to mate with queens from other hives. After mating season, drones are often expelled from the hive to conserve resources. This social structure is crucial to the hive's productivity and survival, and understanding it is key for any aspiring beekeeper. 5. Equipment you'll need. Now that you have a general idea of how a beehive works, let's talk about the equipment you'll need to get started. Beekeeping requires some specialized tools to ensure both your safety and the bees' well-being. Lists equipment. Beehive. Your beehive is the home for your bees. The most common type is the Langstroth hive, which consists of stacked boxes filled with removable frames. This design allows you to inspect the hive easily and harvest honey without damaging the colony. Bee suit and gloves. Safety first. A full bee suit, gloves, and a veil will protect you from bee stings when working with your hive. Smoker. A smoker is essential for calming the bees. When bees smell smoke, they believe their hive is under threat, so they fill up on honey and become more docile, making hive inspections safer. Hive tool. This tool is a beekeeper's best friend. It helps you pry open hive boxes and remove frames for inspection. 6. Choosing the right location. Once you have your equipment, the next step is choosing the perfect location for your hive. Bees need a calm, sunny area, ideally with access to fresh water and plenty of flowers nearby for foraging. Provides tips. Make sure the hive is placed facing east or southeast to catch the early morning sun, which will encourage the bees to start foraging early. Avoid windy spots or areas with heavy foot traffic. The bees will appreciate peace and quiet. If you're in an urban environment, don't worry. Beekeeping is possible in cities too. Rooftops, balconies, and even small gardens can be great spots for hives, as long as there are flowers nearby. 7. Key considerations. Before starting. Before you jump into beekeeping, there are a few important things to consider. First, check your local regulations. Some areas may have restrictions on keeping bees, especially in urban settings. Always ensure you're compliant with local laws. Second, be prepared for some initial costs. While beekeeping can be profitable in the long run, the startup costs for equipment, bees, and hive maintenance can add up. Lastly, remember that beekeeping requires commitment. Bees need care, attention, and regular hive inspections to ensure their health and productivity. But don't worry, this series will guide you every step of the way. Eight. What's next? Now that you have a solid foundation of what beekeeping entails, you're ready for the next steps. In our next video, we'll dive into the different types of beehives and how to choose the right one for your setup. Be sure to subscribe to Advanced Agri Gears and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any valuable beekeeping tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with any questions. Happy beekeeping, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more beekeeping tips. Next video, choosing the right hive. Types of beehives explained.
Thanks for watching Advanced Agri Gears. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more innovations in agriculture, livestock, and sustainable production. See you in the next video.